Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a last minute Christmas gift idea to share with you, and it's all products from Lookfantastic. They've kindly sponsored this video, and all the products I'm about to show you are chosen by myself. Some of them are really cool. I can't wait to share with you. I never knew they existed. Not just makeup, it's a beauty tool. You'll find links to all these gifts down below in my description, as well as my discount code, which is DiaryLF, and that can be used on top for an additional discount. If you're like me, very last minute, I haven't bought anything for my husband and my eldest son. He just says money, but I always like to get him a few things, so I've got to sort that out in the next few days or else I'm stuffed. Well, anyway, if you are similar to me, very last minute, got a couple more gifts left to buy. You have until midnight tonight, the 20th of December, to order and receive standard delivery. That's in the UK. And you have until midnight on the 22nd of December to order for next day delivery. So yes, starting off then with some lipsticks, because you might be aware I'm looking rather bare and I can't wait to try these out and show them. I've got a set of MAC lipsticks. These are beautiful. This is the Frostbitten Kiss Lustreglass lipsticks. There's 5 best-selling shades here. The set of 5 lipsticks is worth £120. It was retailing for £70. It was on sale, and then using my discount code it came down to £54, something like that. So quite a good saving. But yeah, look at the packaging. Very similar to the advent calendar. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's so pretty. So let's give these lipsticks a try then. We got Hug Me. That's what it looks like on my hand. What do you think? It feels amazing on my lips. I thought it might be a little bit too dark, but no, the colour payoff was really nice, but it just feels amazing. Yeah, I really like that shade. Next we've got Business Casual. Oh, that's beautiful as well. There. Definitely a shade I'd wear and go for. I think it's gorgeous. Yeah, I really like that. Next I got Syrup. More pinky, like a rose shade. Doesn't really go with the makeup I'm wearing, but it doesn't matter. It's a really nice colour, one I would definitely wear. So they're very wearable shades so far, aren't they? They're just really nice. And yeah, even though I'm wiping my lips clean in between, because they're Lustreglass lipsticks, they leave my skin feeling really nice and soft. So no damage to my lips yet anyway. This is Pigment of Your Imagination. Oh, it's nice. This is more of a berry colour, like a pinky reddy colour. It's really pretty, I like it. And the last one in the box is Sellout. And right at the top there, so you can see all the shades. I think that one, I can't remember the name of it. Oh, it's the business one, isn't it? Business Casual. I think that's my favourite. Really pretty shade and super shiny. 5 MAC Forbidden Kiss Lustreglass lipsticks there. This next item I'm about to show you is the one that I'm really excited about because it's a little bit different. It is a Style Pro Flip and Charge Power Bank Compact LED Mirror. It retails for £29.99. It's currently on sale for £23.95, and you can get a little bit more discount off that as well with my code. I think this is a genius idea. Am I the only one that's never heard of something like this before? Obviously heard of mirrors, LED mirrors, and power banks for your phone, but not all in one. Yeah, we've got wire there. Comes in a pouch. Look, it's quite a big one as well. So it lights up as soon as you open it. So you've got a double mirror. On the side there you can see some flashing lights. At the minute it's on number 3. I'm assuming that once it's charged up to number 4 then it's good to go. You've got your charging points there as well, so you can connect it to your phone. But yeah, let's see what it says about it then. I really like that. So whoa, that one up there is really close up, and that one's a normal one. A handheld mirror with a built-in USB power bank charging an LED ring light. Perfect for travelling and nights out, the Flip and Charge provides a compact solution to your aesthetic and charging needs. Whether you need to retouch your lipstick or charge up a device, this on-the-go companion is a must-have for any handbag. The double-sided compact mirror also features an LED ring light around it, so you can still touch up your makeup at night. You've got 2 different charging points there, so it could be phone, headphones, whatever really. Yeah, I really like that. That's definitely coming everywhere with me. Genius idea. But yeah, let me know if you knew all about that anyway. Now the next item is very similar, but it's not a power bank. I saw this one first. This is by Style Pro again. This is Twirl Me Up LED handheld mirror. This retails for £14.99 and it's currently on sale for £11.99. It's got a little pouch as well. Charging cables. It's a big one. I was expecting them to be quite small. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. Ah, look. Did you notice the light come on then? So I've got a handle, a little handle there. And then when I close it, it turns off. That is so good, isn't it? So see, turn it on, off, on. The weather's been awful. It's really dark outside, so obviously it's a bit darker in here than usual. But no, the lighting on here is quite nice. It's not too bright, but brilliant for doing your makeup on the go. I really, really like that. The fact it just closes up like that and you just pop it in your handbag then. Or makeup bag, it's up to you, isn't it? And it's a nice decent size. So yeah. It's got a Twirl Me Up LED mirror. Next, I got one of my favourite ever products. It's from By Terry and it's a little Christmas gift box. That you can hang it up, I suppose, on a Christmas tree or somewhere. And inside contains two of my very favourite By Terry products. We've got a face powder and we've got an eyeshadow stick. It retails for £42. It's currently on sale for £31.50. The powder is full size and buying the two together is a lot cheaper than actually buying the powder on its own. So it's a bargain. This is the Hyaluronic Press Powder from the Hyaluronic range. A little puff fell out there. So we've got a mirror and then that is the powder. It's so lovely. It is really nice. As you can see, it's white, it's translucent. It's such a gorgeous powder. It doesn't leave my skin cakey. It's my favourite for my under eyes by far. By far, and I've tried so many different powders, but the fact it contains hyaluronic acid is, yeah, it's full of skincare benefits. It says it contains 8 times hyaluronic acid types, exclusive technology. Yeah, I will buy this over and over and over again. I love it that much. And then to go with it, we got a little mini eyeshadow stick. Now this is Ombre Black Star, and we've got it in shade Bronze Moon. I might actually have this one full size because I do have a few of these, and some Bobbi Brown ones. These are super long lasting. They blend nicely. You can blend them out nicely, look, and then you can increase the colour for more definition. They're just really, really good. Out of all the eyeshadow sticks that I've tried, received in beauty boxes over the years, By Terry and Bobbi Brown are high up there. Well, they're my top two eyeshadow sticks. So yeah, I'm really chuffed with that. So I've got a full-size powder and a little mini Ombre Black Star eyeshadow stick in this little By Terry Christmas gift box. Now this is something that I've wanted for a long while. It's by IT Cosmetics and it's a Heavenly Luxe limited edition 2-piece brush set. I love the idea of this double-ended brush for foundation and concealer, and then you've got like a powder or blush brush there. I've always read good reviews about them. It retails for £58 and it's on sale for £46.50, and they're both full size. Synthetic brush. You know I love my brushes. But I love that. I love that it comes dual-ended. I don't own many of these, or if I do, they're dual-ended eyeshadow brushes, you know, not like a face brush, not face makeup brush. But I love that. It's a nice, perfect dome shape for foundation. Oh, I'm really excited to use that. Really excited. And this is beautiful. Look, a massive, big, fluffy face brush then that could be used for anything. Powder, blush, yeah. Really nice. I love them. So I got 2 brushes from IT Cosmetics. Now the next item is something that my daughter had on her Christmas wish list, so I bought it for her and she doesn't know I got it. It's from Ico London. It's a brow grooming kit. It retails for £25. It's currently on sale for £10. Little bag with Ico London on it. And there you go. I haven't looked into this one properly because my daughter, because I knew it was on her list. But look, it's a razor. A razor for defuzzing eyebrow hair. It's a brow razor. That's handy. So there's that. And then you got some scissors as well then. So you got razors, scissors, tweezers and a eyebrow brush. Next I got something for my scalp. I am going through a hair serum phase. I am loving it. I go to bed every night and I put serum in my hair to help thicken up my hair, promote hair growth, stop the thinning. So I've been raiding my drawers looking for hair serums that can help promote growth. So when I go to bed at night, I put a few drops around my hairline and on top of my head and just massage it in. And I thought, oh, a stimulating scalp massager by Grow Gorgeous. I thought this looks really good. Now I do have one of these, but the reason I went for this one is because of the spikes. Look at that. The one I've got is like a shampoo brush, so it's not as dramatic as that. But I thought, that'd be really nice. It's soft. It's not, you know, it's not going to hurt me. It's just going to feel really nice. It's not too big. It's nice to hold as well. So I just want something to stimulate my scalp once I've put my serums and things on my hair. Plus, before I wash my hair, I put a load of rosemary oil in my hair and I brush through that as well. So this will come in handy for that. It retails for £12. It's currently on sale for £8.50. And I thought, yeah, that looks great. It looks like it's going to do the job, you know? We'll see anyway. Next I got something luxurious and it's still for my hair. It's by Esper, which is a beautiful, beautiful luxury brand. It's a pure silk pillowcase. I have a few fake silk pillowcases, but I wanted to get this because, again, it's to do with my hair. I've got a silk hair turban, which I use when I used to have hair extensions in my hair, which is brilliant. But it falls off my head when I put it on my head now with the hair that I've got. I haven't got enough hair to hold it on my head. So I just thought, no, I'm going to go for a pure silk pillowcase. And look at the colour. Oh, isn't that stunning? I've only bought one, so it's not matching with my husband, but I don't care. It says here, enhance your beauty sleep with Esper's Silk Pillowcase, your new bedtime accessory that helps to achieve a cool and restful night's sleep. Silk is naturally hypoallergenic, breathable, and renowned for its skin and hair benefits, helping to enhance your natural beauty and inner calm. Look at it in the box. So the presentation is really beautiful, isn't it? This retails for £60. It's currently on sale for £42. And I can't remember using my code how much came off it. I can't remember. But look, oh, it's a beautiful colour. That's a massive pillowcase. So yeah, no, that's fine. It'll definitely fit my pillows. I really like it. And the photo's got Esper embroidered on the side there. Really nice. And if I was given that as a gift from my husband, I would be really, really chuffed. Next up, I got a bronzer. Now this is a bit of a weird Christmas present, isn't it? But then I suppose if you saw my daughter's Christmas list, then it's not weird because she's asked for cleansers, serums, hairsprays, all individual beauty items. It's things that she wants and things that she uses. Similarly with this is Tanlux. I really like this brand, but I've never tried this before. This is the Bronze Illuminating Liquid Bronzer. It's an instant bronzer. It's 150 mils, so it's wash off. It says here, this ultra hydrating instant bronze in water allows you to build and blend your bronze for the ultimate sun-kissed finish in a flash. This lightweight illuminated formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, Japanese camellia and baobab oil to instantly soften, soothe and hydrate skin. It's totally transfer proof and customizable, lasting until you wash it off for glowing results every time, anywhere. It retails for £29. It's currently on sale for £11.60. which I thought was really good, so I thought I'd have to get it. If any of you have used it, please let me know what you think. Next up, I got a MAC palette, and this is beautiful. This is so nice. There's a few MAC palettes on the website, and I didn't really know what to go for, but I decided to go for this because it's got some burgundies and reds, which I love. I've got Connecting Colour, and this is Future Flame. And this is a 12 pan palette. It retails for £44. It's not on sale, but my code gives you a discount. But look at this. It's so pretty. So you've got a mirror. And look at these shades. Look, I absolutely love that one. That is so lovely. Yeah, I'm really glad I went for it. It's really pretty. That one on the bottom there is that one. On camera it looked white, but it's not. It's like a champagne-y gold. But yeah, look how pigmented that dark brown is. And I love the design of these new palettes that they brought out. Who doesn't love a palette for Christmas? I do. Now the last item I'm going to share with you is what Lookfantastic sent to me in a PR mailer, and I thought I'd share it for this video as it's still available on their website. This is from Clinique and it's the most loved fan favourite skincare, makeup and fragrance. I had a look at this a few days ago and there was quite a bit of a discount off it. I've just had a look online now and it's gone up to the selling price of £125. Starting off with one of my all-time favourite moisturisers. It's the Moisture Surge, and this is the 100-Hour Moisture Surge. It's a lightweight gel cream that absorbs super quickly into my skin, but it leaves my skin feeling so soft, really soft. And yeah, it does leave your skin hydrated for a long time. Well, it claims here 100 hours. But yeah, and chuffed, I've got another one. So there's 50 mils there. And to go with it, we've got a little mini of the eye cream. This is all about eyes. It reduces dark circles and puffiness. And there's 5 mils there. There, we've got something new. I haven't tried this. This is all about clean, a liquid facial soap. It's mild and there's 200 mils. It's a soft, non-drying lather, loosens surface flakes, removes dirt and debris and protects skin's natural moisture balance. Oh, I love this. Take the day off. Is it? Yes. Take the day off. I thought it was. It's a makeup remover and it is brilliant. It is really lovely. Too Faced liquid makeup remover effectively removes long wearing eye and lip makeup without leaving an oily residue. So yeah, so there's that. Then we got the cult classic. This is Black Honey. It's a tinted lip balm. I've really got one of these. But it's universally a flattering shade. Yeah. It's funny how it's come back now and you see it all over TikTok. It's just a really nice sheer flattering balm. So there's that. Then we've got mascara. This is High Impact Mascara. This is black. Ooh. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see. The lighting is not that great, unfortunately, when I'm filming it in the dark. I cannot wait until either the weather gets better or it starts lightening up a little bit more. Maybe I should just move to like Spain for the winter. My husband would kill me. He'd divorce me probably. But oh, I'd love it. All year round sun. It's got mascara. And then we've got a perfume. This is Clinique Happy. I've never smelled this before. I don't think I've smelled any of their perfumes. A hint of citrus, woo, a wealth of flowers and a mix of emotions. Okay. Let's spray it in the air first. Oh, that is so nice. Yes. That is really lovely. I like that. Oh, chuffed. Chuffed because perfumes are hit and miss, aren't they? But yeah, I can't read what it says on the bottom there because it's too small, but possibly 10 mils. What would you say? 10 mils maybe. It's got a little perfume. You see everything on the front there. So it's a little favourites gift set from Clinique. And those are all the products I've chosen for this month's Lookfantastic haul with Christmas last minute gifting in mind. They're all products that I would absolutely love under the Christmas tree if anyone had bought them for me, but also a few things that I think would make great gifts, including that genius power bank mirror. That is just brilliant. I love that. Yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of the products I chose? Please comment down below, especially if you've tried any of them. So thanks for watching and I'll speak soon. Take care. Bye.